Shall we go with other bit?
Yes, ma'am.
Each and every bit is if once you understand the concept, I mean, understand the question in application part, the various procedure is only the thing you're supposed to understand your what are the given statements in your question. Let me share the question part. Yes, wait a minute. Please, seventh bit.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
shall
got
I
the
read?
Hello, please read the seventh question.
The sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples.
This is also one more application part. See the question to question how it varies. Sum of three consecutive multiples of 8. Multiples of 8. Srihita.
X, 2x, and 3x.
Multiples of 8. Suppose the consecutive multiples of 8 is given. Consecutive word means just now Sahasra said. What is that? She said consecutive means what?
numbers which come right after each other.
Yes, side by side numbers, immediately next numbers. So, but the question is sum of three consecutive multiples of 8. Multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 means what we should take, Sahasra? Srihita. Yes, Sahu raised a hand, but wait a minute, Sahu, let them, wait. I know that you're aware of about, let them think.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question which you asked now?
What is the question, ma? Yes, question is multiples of 8, consecutive multiples of 8. Any three consecutive multiples of 8. I want any three consecutive multiples of 8.
Ma'am, shall I say?
Wait, Vedika, I know that you know, but let them.
Ma'am, is it according to the question?
Yes, let them answer. I want answer from the students. Let them think. Let them think. Yes, Srihita, Satvik, please. Srihita, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Ma'am, x plus 8 and x plus 16.
Very good. X plus 8, x plus 16. Good. Multiples. Yes. Sahu, can I take as x plus 8 and x plus 8 is 16?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Yes, Satvik.
Ma'am?
Satvik. Jitvesh.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Yes, who is calling? Jitvesh, right. Come on, Jitvesh.
Ma'am, not me, ma'am.
Multiples of 8 means what we supposed to take?
Ma'am, 8 table, ma'am.
8 table. Very good. So here some of those consecutive multiples of 8 add up to triple 8. Come on, what
Ma'am?
are? Yes.
Ma'am, can't we take 8 in the brackets x, x plus 1 and x plus 2?
Exactly correct, Pallav. Pallav, you are correct.
Yes, ma'am. I took the same.
Yes, correct, Pallav.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, you are taking.
Join. Ma'am, I asked you to join at time.
I'm taking x minus 8, x and x plus 8. I'm taking, who is this boy? I'm taking like that. Let me see the game, how the game is. Yes, this sum should be equal to triple 8. Here I'm cutting a minus 8 and
Ma'am, x minus 8 plus x plus.
no, we should not take like that. No,
Ma'am, it will be 8x, no? Means x minus 8 plus 8x plus.
we supposed to take 8x only. 8x. Okay, in this way we can take.
Ma'am?
Yes,
295, 296, 297, ma'am.
correct. Answers are correct. But initially, when you are taking the numbers only, you're supposed to think. What are the numbers?
Ma'am, I took like 8x, 8x plus 1 and 8x plus 2. Is it correct?
Yes, 8x, 8x minus 8, 8x plus 8. If you take like that, you see how the portion, it's nothing but triplet. Let me take a new screen, children. Yeah. 8 multiples means 8x. And consecutive things means you can take as 8x plus 8 and 8x plus 16. These are the consecutive multiples. Or we can take x, 8x is the middle means before that 8x minus 8 we can take. After that 8x plus 8 we can take. Some should be equal to triplet. Anyway you can take, children, you can take, the answer is same. You can do, one fellow can do this procedure, another will do this one. Which is the answer? You are getting very less time, you have to check it. 8 threes are how much? 8x plus 8x plus 8, 16, 16 plus 8.
24x.
24x is equal to 888. X value you supposed to find.
Ma'am, 296.
Directly you can you take a 8x value. Why? Because you are taking 8x value you want. Then 24 can be written as 3 into 8. 3 into 8 we want only 8x. So directly you just multiply it with triplet by 3. Yes.
Ma'am, and from that time I have been asking to join. You didn't let in, ma'am.
Oh, so sorry, ma. I'm little busy in the sum. I thought I just allowed now. You are there in the room?
Yes, ma'am. I was there from that time. Again, when I reloaded, then it came, ma'am.
I didn't notice whether you are asking the permission. So sorry, Siddhartha. I didn't notice you. Actually, I thought you are in room. You are in classroom. Come on, children.
No, ma'am.
Find the values of this part. Come on, quickly. You have to find out.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Sahasra. Come on, Sahasra.
Ma'am, the numbers are 288,
Yes.
296, 304.
296, 304.
Ma'am, I'm getting answer as
Yes. Who is this? Pallav.
88. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, come on. What is your answer, Pallav?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, how
296,
can these numbers be
295,
consecutive?
296, 297, ma'am.
295, 296, 297.
Ma'am,
Wrong,
but
Pallav.
the multiple
Because
of 8.
8 multiples means the difference between the number should be 8, but you have numbers are continuous numbers. So answer is wrong, Pallav.
Okay.
Please see that where you are doing error. And Vedika, what is your answer, Vedika?
Ma'am, he might have taken 8x minus 1, 8x.
Yes, you can take 8x plus. Yes, what is the answer, children? What is the answer? I didn't check. Only what is the answer you are giving? I'm writing on the screen.
6 and
Vedika, what
304.
is your answer?
Ma'am, 288, 296 and 304.
Yes, Vedika and Sahasra are giving the same answer. Good. Well, Sahu, what's your answer?
Ma'am, same answer. 295, 288, 296 and 304.
Where is Jitvesh and Satvik?
Ma'am.
Jitvesh, what is
Ma'am.
your answer?
Ma'am,
What are the numbers? What are the multiples? Continuous multiples of 8.
Ma'am, same I
296.
Yes, Satvik got same. Good. Jitvesh and the remaining students, I want Siddharth, Srihita.
Ma'am, I also got 288, 296 and 304.
Who is this Pallav?
Ma'am, Srihita.
Srihita, right, Srihita, correct.
Ma'am, now I got correct, ma'am.
Where you did mistake, Pallav?
Ma'am, in last step, ma'am.
Okay. Once you are getting the value of x, you can substitute whatever our assuming numbers. If you assumed as 8x,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can substitute in that. If you assumed as 8x minus 8 is your first number, according to your assumption, you are supposed to substitute, you will get the result. Yes. Shall we go with other bit more? You all have your NCERT books, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes or no, please.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
please. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm actually state syllabus, ma'am, not NCERT.
Okay, state also,
PDF
the
will
concepts
be
are same.
better.
If you go with state and CBSE, concepts are same. Only the application part, they will a little different. Questioning also, everything is same only. Concepts, if you go anywhere, not only state, CBSE, whatever the board you take.
Ma'am, actually, the last year I was NCERT, ma'am. This year only I'm state.
Okay, don't worry, don't worry. Please go through. You have in your textbook also a linear equations with one variable application sums. So just please
Yes, ma'am.
go through and try to solve the bits. If you have any doubts, you just call me. I'll help you.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Don't worry about the board. The concepts are same in mathematics, children. Whatever the board, state board, CBSE board, Cambridge, whatever the board, you go, concepts are same for you. And that's all, children, for today's session. 7 bits we completed. Your homework is 8th, 9th, 2 bits are your homework bits. 8, 9, 10 is your homework, children. Today's homework is, if you want to take a screenshot also, you just take a screenshot of 8, 9, 10 bits is your homework.
Mama, school still did not give our books, ma'am.
That's why you just see and take a screenshot or whatever the thing you have. Nowadays, technology is sufficient for us. If you want, you can download from the Google also, children.
Ma'am, which
Yes, ma'am.
questions?
Ebook is
Anna.
there, the PDF.
PDF is available in the Google. You can put the chapter number 2 in the CBSE class 8 PDF means it is available.
Ma'am, may I share the PDF on WhatsApp? I have.
Please do that immediately, my dear Sahu.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I downloaded
Yes,
the
ma'am.
textbook, ma'am, in the.
Okay. Good job. Anna, your homework is today 8,
Eight,
9, 10th. Till 10th,
Okay, ma'am.
tomorrow next class we will complete the lesson. 11, 12 we will do in the next class. Till 10 bits you supposed to practice. All first 3 bits are your homework bits. Already classwork 7 bits we discussed. All together 10 bits. Be thorough with the bits. I can test anytime. Spontaneously also I will keep test for you, children. Be ready with the sums. Okay. Shall I stop share? Have a nice day to you all, children. Any doubts in the session, today's session?
No.
Any doubts? Please share with me. I'll be stay more 10 minutes. I'll help you now. If you have really any doubts, please stay in the classroom. I'll help you. Pallav, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Sahu? Yes.
No, ma'am, no doubt, it's clear.
Yes. Once no doubts means you can just
Excuse me, ma'am.
children. Be safe, stay safe, children. Be safe because the pandemic is going to be raised in the high peak nowadays. So the 4 weeks are very important. Governments are continuously reminding us. Please take care of yourself and your family members too. Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, Jasmita,
Ma'am, I'm Shrita, ma'am.
Srihita.
Ma'am, I said that I have a doubt now, ma'am, in the homework.
Wait a minute, Srihita, I'll help you. Yes,
Yes.
Srihita, wait a minute. Once your work, yes, children, you completed your part means you just leave the meeting. I'll just clarify the doubt of Srihita. Srihita, which bit you have doubt, Srihita?
Ma'am, Ma'am, in the homework, ma'am, 1/6. That day you gave, na ma'am, one day.
Okay, what is the question?
Last class you gave.
Can you share your question part, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait,
Ma'am, 1/6.
1 minute, ma. Let me write on screen. Just a minute. Just a minute. Let me write on
1/6 into 4y
1/6 into 4y
plus 5
plus 5
minus 2/3.
minus 2/3. Is it in bracket, my dear? This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Again, bracket 2y plus 7,
2y plus 7
bracket close, is
Yes.
equal to 3/2.
equal to 3/2.
2.
Yes. How you supposed to do this is your question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
First, you can, by seeing it, since you can take LCM of LHS part, 6 and 3 is their denominator. What is LCM of 3 and 6, my dear?
Ma'am, 6.
3 and 6 is 6. So no need to change this, just no need to change this because already you have 6 in the denominator. You just take as a 1/6 into 4y plus 5. And the second part you see, what you have 3 you have in the denominator. You make as a 6 means which number you're supposed to multiply?
2.
2. So 2 2s are how much you are getting now?
4/6.
Yes, 4/6 into 2y plus 7 is equal to 3/2. This is one part. Second part, both are like denominators. What you should do? You take your numerators. 4y plus 5 minus 4 bracket 2y plus 7 whole divided by 6 is equal to
3/2.
yes
3/2.
3/2. What is that? This is 3/2. Now you just send this 6 also that side means what you are getting 4y plus 5 minus you just 4 2s are how much? This is distributive property. Distributive property means what, children? Bracket outside number is applicable for both inside the bracket. So 4 into 2y. 4 into 2y is nothing but 4 2s are
8y.
8y. So it is minus means signs will change. Plus into minus again minus. 4 into 7. So you multiplied with this is over. And 4 into 7 is
28.
why I am taking minus here?
Ma'am, because outside the bracket, when we multiply with the inner, minus
Exactly.
into plus
Good,
is minus.
good. Whether you are aware or not, I just tested. You are good. Now you are sending that 6 to this side. It is under division. You come to
Multiplication.
it comes to multiplication. Now you simplify more. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Come on now. What are the like 4y minus 8y? 4y minus 8y together. Unlike signs, you need to subtract. Subtract means
And
4y, but greater number having the sign as a negative 4y, and the numerical part 5 and minus 28. 5 and minus 28 together is
Ma'am, minus 23.
minus 23, which is equal to 3 3s are how much? 9.
9.
Come on, now you just minus 23, you send other side. I'm taking here minus 4y is equal to 9 plus 23.
3.
So here y is equal to, you just 4y is equal to minus 4y is equal to 9 plus 23 is nothing but 32. We want only variable value y. So y is equal to, if you transpose to other side, multiplication becomes division. So it comes under division. 4 1s are 4 8s are.
8.
So 8 divided by minus 1 you are getting. So minus, don't leave the signs
Minus.
also. You see the denominator. If it is minus means the answer is minus 8. Hope it is clear, Sihita, your doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, I also got the same answer, but I have a doubt, ma'am.
Okay, no need to worry. But if you have any doubt means you should clarify. That is very important, Sihita. No scare, no, we are here for learning things, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubts, students? Okay, children. Any other doubts? Okay. Children, are you there? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Any doubts, Siddharth? And
No, ma'am.
Jashmita? Okay. Then you can leave the meeting. We'll start now.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Nana.